Energy meter. Single phase direct 100A measurement. Product name. Enter scroll. Fixed 1000 kWh pulse/kWh. Configurable for kWh/kVArh. Wiring. Line in, line out, neutral. Pop 1, pop 2. RS485. Programming. Press scroll and enter key for 3 seconds to enter or exit programming. Password. The default password is 1000. Change password. Set no/yes. If yes, then new password. Set password between 0000 to 9998. Demand interval method. Set sliding/fixed demand interval duration. Set between 1 to 30. Demand interval length. Set between 1 to 30 minutes. Pop type. Set kWh total/import/export and kVArh/total/import/export. Pulse width. Set 1/10/100/1000. Pulse duration. Set between 0.05 to 2 seconds. Slave ID. Set between 1 to 255. Baud rate. Set 9600 or 1990,000 bis per seconds. Parity. Set none, even and odd. Stop bit. Set 1 or 2. Backlight. Set between 0 to 7200 seconds. Factory default. Set no/yes. To reset to unit to factory values. Reset. Set no/yes. Password for factory default is default password +1. Reset. Active energy. Set no/yes reset. Reactive energy. Set no/yes reset. Apparent energy. Set no/yes reset. Max DMD. Set no/yes. Press scroll and enter key for 3 seconds to exit programming. Applications. EV charging station, generation, transmission and distribution panel, energy monitoring system, industrial and commercial, energy storage system, machine monitoring, and many more.